I hope all of you are very healthy and dedicated towards your preparation, and I welcome you to the Rapid Revision Program. This is going to be a very quick video and a short one, which will make you know about the program, know about us at this time, and why this all has begun. And first of all, thank you so much. I was not expecting such a response. मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं था कि इतने लोग इतना पॉजिटिव रिस्पांस देंगे, बिकॉज देयर इज नो एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स अराउंड दिस. इसका कोई ऐड नहीं हुआ. जितना भी ग्रुप बना है वो सब आप ही की वजह से है. इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ यू. You have added your friends. You have been helping me as well. I have received many messages and help from each and every person. I would like to specially thank Naveen, MS, and Apoorv and Sanat and Meena. There were some students, Shivangi as well, and many of the people have helped me a lot. अब मैंने ये प्रोग्राम क्यों स्टार्ट किया है? क्योंकि इस वक्त प्रॉब्लम चल रही है और हर कोई अपने तरीके से इस प्रॉब्लम से डील कर रहा है. This corona crisis is unpredictable and unprecedented at various levels. सबकी तैयारी अलग अलग है, और तैयारी इन द सेंस स्टेट की, गवर्नमेंट की, इंडिविजुअल्स की, एनजीओज की. तो हर कोई अपने तरीके से कर रहा है. अब मैं डॉक्टर नहीं हूँ, ना ही मैं पुलिस में हूँ, ना ही मैं आर्मी में हूँ. मेरे पास एनजीओ का सेटअप नहीं है. मेरे पास जो चीज है, it is only my experience in this field, in the field of teaching and in the field of preparation, and I would like to share that with you. और बहुत सारी चीजें दिख जाती हैं जब क्राइसिस आता है. For example, you will see people who are in need of help. You may see people who are dying, but you will not be able to see the kind of mental problems which people face in such times. आपको ये तो दिख जाएगा कि किसी के घर में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो गई, बट किसी के दिमाग में क्या दिक्कत चल रही है. हम सब लोग जब तैयारी करते हैं तो ये होता है कि हम बहुत सारी चीजें छोड़कर इस प्रिपरेशन में लगते हैं. और पिछले साल में श्री राम IAS से एसोसिएटेड था, तो वहां पर अचानक से क्लासेस बंद हो गई. और जहां पर पहले हमारे पास 2000 स्टूडेंट्स आते थे, 157 स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास इस बार आए बिकॉज ऑफ ऑनलाइन कोचिंग. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, ऑनलाइन कोचिंग इतनी इफेक्टिव नहीं होती जितना, क्योंकि उसमें 1-to-1 टीचर का इंटरेक्शन नहीं होता है. बट ये हमारे पास ऑनलाइन का ही ऑप्शन है इस वक्त, एंड विल ट्राई एंड मेक बेस्ट यूज ऑफ इट. तो जो कोचिंग बहुत सारे लोग ले नहीं पाए हैं और जिनके साथ हुई है, उनको प्राइवेट गाइडेंस नहीं मिल पाई है. जैसे क्लास के बाद टीचर से डाउट्स पूछना, या फिर आपको कोई मेंटल इश्यूज डेवलप हो रहे हैं. और सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रही है कि देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ अनप्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी एंड अनसर्टिनिटी इन दिस पेपर, जो कि नेचुरली भी होती है. बट कोरोना क्राइसिस से क्या हुआ है कि हमें नहीं पता कि एग्जाम होगा कि नहीं होगा. तो इस वजह से बहुत सारे लोग जिन्होंने 6 साल 7 साल दे हैव पुट इन अ लॉट ऑफ देयर लाइव्स, दे आर गेटिंग फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, एंड आई मीन देयर लाइफ हैज कम टू अ पॉइंट ऑफ होपलेसनेस. मेरे को कुछ लोगों के मैसेज आए, आई विल नॉट नेम दिस टाइम. उन्होंने कहा कि हमें डिप्रेशन होने लग गई है, एंड आई हैव गिवन अप होप इन माय लाइफ, एंड because of this message, I think now I will join this and give another try. So that in itself is a victory for me, and even if that single person would have come, this class would have gone on. So uncertainty of the timings, 99% ग्रुप्स या लोग इस चीज में डिस्कशन करने को रेडी हैं कि एग्जाम पोस्टपोन होगा कि नहीं. इस ग्रुप का पर्पस अलग रहेगा. We will be taking it head on. We will think that the exam is going to happen on 27th of June. Even if it does not happen, we are going to complete the course before the prelims. Now, the thing is, this is not going to be a regular class. For example, you cannot expect me to teach from the basics because prelims is hardly 50 days away. 50 days means 7 to 8 weeks. Agar roughly this is the time which is remaining. I can offer you support to become resilient in your preparation, resilient, dedicated, and perseverant in your approach. Now, what is the program? Please note, सब लोग ध्यान दें, See, there is a message I am getting right now that I need to speak in English. Whatever I am saying in English, I am repeating it in Hindi. There is no difference in what I am saying. So please note, this is a guidance program. This is not going to be class. The aim is to complete the syllabus at a faster pace. For example, मेरे को इस फील्ड में 7 years का competition experience है with interview और teaching का भी experience है. I have a lot of experience in this field, and when I read Lakshmikant book on my own, I complete it in 5 to 6 days. And any other aspirant who is preparing for a long time will do the same. जो भी पुराने एस्पिरेंट है वो 5 या 6 दिन में लक्ष्मीकांत कंप्लीट कर देते हैं. अगर आप नए हैं और आप प्रीलिम्स इस साल का देना चाह रहे हैं तो आपको उस लेवल तक आना पड़ेगा विद इन द नेक्स्ट 7 to 8 weeks. और अगर आप पुराने हैं और आप ये नहीं कर पा रहे तो मेक श्योर यू कम टू दिस लेवल. इफ यू आर ऑलरेडी एट दिस लेवल देन प्रोबेबली डू नॉट अटेंड दिस क्लास. आपका टाइम वेस्ट हो सकता है. बट अगर आप इस लेवल पे नहीं है और हल्का सा पीछे हैं तो यू अटेंड दिस क्लास. और अगर आप नेक्स्ट ईयर आना चाहते हैं, अपेयर करना चाहते हैं, इफ यू वांट टू अपेयर नेक्स्ट ईयर then personally message me and I will make a schedule with another group how we can proceed with that and when the class will begin. But at this time the focus is for prelims 2021. So my aim is that if I can complete Lakshmikant in 6 days, you should be able to do it in 9 days. So this is what the aim of the group is. I do not say that it will happen for sure because everybody will be having a different speed. So to make this happen, I will have to be realistic. मेरी किसी से कोई पर्सनल दुश्मनी नहीं होगी अगर मैं किसी को ग्रुप से बाहर निकालूं. It means that I do not have any personal problems or enmity with anybody if I throw you out of the group. This group has to be really serious and I will have to be strict. If somebody will be decreasing the speed of the group, I might have to eject them out from the live class. And if your microphones are repeatedly on, or if there is an interference from your side and it is repeated 5 times, then I will have to throw you out. Because this is not a joking kind of a group. We have to complete the course within 50 days and the course is very huge. Okay? Now, the main thing is you have to be self-reliant in your preparation. I received a message, I will not name. The person said, if somebody is totally dependent on this class, then what do you think, how much the syllabus will be completed? First of all, what do you want to become in this life? I mean, what are your career aspirations? I need answers in the chat right now. आप लोग जब इस एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, आप कौन सी पोस्ट की एम कर रहे हैं? Which post do you aim for when you give this exam? Mostly people are saying IAS, and one person, Ganavi, has said IFS, and Ankush has said IPS. Mostly Neha is also saying IPS, but Farzana, Shreya, Pooja, most of the persons are saying IAS. So now, do you know who are the people who are dependent on other persons? जो बंदा दूसरे पे dependent होता है वो कौन होता है? Who is completely dependent on someone else for survival? Please give an answer. पैरासाइट अच्छा है. देखो वो दो तरीके के लोग होते हैं जो ऐसे होते हैं. There are two kinds of people. One is a beggar who cannot earn by himself, and the second is a child. And if you fall in any of these two categories, the chances of your becoming an IAS or IPS or an IFS or any other services, किसी का IRS भी हो सकता है. तो आप ये चीज भूल जाइएगा कि आपका ये एग्जाम हो पाएगा, because you will have to do it on your own. I have a lot of experience in this coaching field. the kind of promises which the coaching people make and the kind of things which are delivered are not up to the mark. But I will tell you in the beginning only that this is a guidance program. Do not expect more than what I am saying, but I will expect a lot from you. अगर आपका इस ग्रुप में डेडिकेशन ये होगा कि आपको ग्रुप में कंट्रीब्यूट करना है, तो you will become a better person. You will become self-reliant या आत्मनिर्भर. Until and unless you are not onto that level where you can prepare for yourself, how will you take care of the major decisions which you have to take in life? How will you plan things? The role of an administrator or a policeman or a diplomat is also similar. He has a lot of information, a lot of tasks, he or she. So then they have to make quick decisions. They have to be good in their approach. They have to know what they have to do. They have to categorize things as what is important, what is urgent, what has to be done. So this is what your mental outlook should be for this class. The repeated revisions will be required, and my role is to explain the concept so that you do not have to rote learn. Prelims में भी जो question आएगा, the questions you will face in the prelims are going to be of conceptual nature. They are never going to be in which year did this happen, in which year did that happen. And even if there are chronological questions asked, you can do it through concepts. Okay. So now some of the major questions which I have received repeatedly, which books one should follow for preparation. अच्छा, अब तक किसी को कोई डाउट है या मेरी बात नहीं समझ आई है तो आप प्लीज बता सकते हैं. If there is a doubt or anything which is not clear until now, please you can ask questions. मुझे नहीं ऐसा लग रहा कि कोई ऐसा है जिसको नहीं समझ आया, because most people are serious और messages से पता चलता है. So I am now going to tell the standard books which will remain the same even if you are giving your first attempt or your last attempt. ये किसी का माइक्रोफोन ऑन है, प्लीज ऑफ कर लीजिए. शिनचैन नोहारा जो भी है वो शरारतें ना करे. Now standard books for polity, the only book is Lakshmikant. If someone else is offering you another book, I might have to remove somebody, so please do not do this again. Lakshmikant is the only book for polity, and if someone else is offering you another book, then please consider them to be an enemy in your path of success. वो आपको बेवकूफ ही बना रहा है. Now in this course I will be teaching directly from Lakshmikant. I will tell you the reason why. I had conducted a poll as well. Now I spoke to some students and I realized that जो institute अपनी notes निकालता है उनका purpose होता है branding करना. Their purpose is to create their own brand. जैसे Vision IAS है या श्री राम IAS है या वाजीराम है, उनकी पीली बुकलेट बहुत फेमस है. Yellow booklets are very famous because they want to be known in the market. The purpose of this group is not as such. There is no brand to be created. If I give you short notes and you have to read from them, they will be incomplete here or there. This is for sure. There will be some error or some omission or some commission, something less or something more. And you have to be spot on. There should be nothing less or nothing more in this examination. You have to create the right balance. So everybody is trying to create their own brand in the market. So they create a lot of bundles of book for you. जिन्होंने कोचिंग की भी है वो भी एंड में आके लक्ष्मीकांत से ही पढ़ते हैं. बहुत रेयर कोई ऐसा बच्चा होता है जिसको अपने कोचिंग वाले टीचर पे इतना विश्वास हो जाता है बाद में आके कि वो एक एक नोट उसके फॉलो कर रहा है. और मैं आपको एक बात बहुत ऑनेस्टली बता रहा हूँ, जितने भी लोगों ने those who have taken coaching from the best institute in Delhi, 95% of the people have abused them after talking to them personally. I will not name the institute. You all know it. Nobody is a kid in this room. So what I'm trying to say is, I do not want to create more bundles for you, which will be thrown in the dustbin after you prepare your coaching. I will be telling you to keep Lakshmikant. It will remain same even after 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. I will give you what to mark, what extra to write, and to what extent to give time to each and every chapter. Otherwise, what will happen is you might be given time to representations of People Act, but what may be required would be to give more time to fundamental rights. जिस चैप्टर से क्वेश्चंस आने की पॉसिबिलिटी ज्यादा है उस पे टाइम ज्यादा देंगे, जिस पे कम है और बिल्कुल स्टैटिक है उसको हम होमवर्क की तरह भी ट्रीट कर सकते हैं. You will have to be very careful and you will have to do a lot of revision to stay in the group. Edition will be the latest edition. For whichever book I am mentioning, the book has to be the latest edition. Now the next subject is Modern India. For Modern India also there is only one book, Spectrum. Some persons are also referring from Class C to Partition these days, but it is not an intelligent choice because only 2 or 3 questions have come from it in the past years. And if somebody is not done that book, I will guarantee you that everybody has not done that. Everybody would have left the question which have come from that book. So you have to be equal to the competition. You have to be above average in each and every subject rather than being a master of one subject. This exam considers an overall holistic growth and development in all the subjects. The competition is tough. Keep limited resources and reread again and again. Now for culture, you have 2 options. Either you can use Nitin Singhania or GK Today. And एंशियंट एंड मिडीवल इंडिया के लिए, एंशियंट एंड मिडीवल इंडिया और मॉडर्न इंडिया में एक अप्रोच का डिफरेंस आता है विच यू मस्ट नो. मॉडर्न इंडिया में दे विल बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक अबाउट इवेंट्स कि कौन सी चीज कहाँ पर हुई, what happened, where happened, how, when, what, when, where, how will be more dominant in modern India. But when we go to ancient India, hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if there is modern India, then you have to do what, when, where, how for each and everything. But if there is a battle in ancient India, that is not important, because in ancient India, we are more looking towards the cultural aspects of life. Why the social issues of that time were as such, why the religion was as such at that time, what were the ways of life of the people at that time. For example, sociology or social issues will be useful in the modern India at that time in the mains. But in the prelims, you have to be very specific. And now this group is specifically for prelims, and some people are asking questions regarding mains. So we can take another session after the prelims exam. And ancient and medieval India ke liye, either you can read NCRTs, old NCRTs, or you can read the Tamil Nadu state books. They both are equally good and equally useless because very few questions are asked. The book is very good if you want to become a historian, but the book is not good if you want to clear the civil services. It is an excellent book. You must read it if you are free. And the second thing is, for ancient and medieval India, what you can consider is you can read Lucent. Lucent GK. It is very concise. It is made for what we call banking exams, but ancient for medieval India का जितना weightage है prelims में, it is sufficient. You will have to focus more on Buddhism, Jainism, Upanishads, literature, which is dealt in culture rather than history. So keep your preparation focused and on the spot. Do not derail from what is expected. No, you cannot skip ancient and medieval history, because even if that one question is answered, you will get 2 more marks. And usually people miss the list by 0.3 marks as well. So you cannot skip. And if you know the cutoffs are going higher and higher and the seats are decreasing, please do not skip medieval and ancient India history. Now the next thing is geography. Geography, what is expected out of you is to read NCRTs from 6 to 12 in NCRT, and GC Leong is also a very good book. But if you want a holistic single document, then what you can do is you can read PMFIS. Please, you are requested to keep your microphones off. अगर एक ही सोर्स चाहिए ज्योग्राफी का, PMFIS is a wonderful source. Let me tell you, it is a very good source. If you are new to this preparation, you might not be knowing it, or even otherwise, if you do not know it, check it out, and you can come to know what the quality is. उसने एक्चुअली 6 to 12 के सारी कोर्सेज को कंपाइल करा है, सारी एनसीईआरटीज को, जीसी लियोंग को, with diagrams, and he has Majid Hussain book also added in it. So it is a very good source. For economics, I stick to Mrunal sir. He is the best teacher I have seen, the most holistic teacher for any subject in UPSC preparations. So for economics, if you can arrange notes of economics and you are by Mrunal sir and you are comfortable with them, try and not attend my class then, because he is better than me in any way. मैं अब यहाँ पे ये अपनी तारीफ करने के लिए नहीं बैठा हूँ, जो सच है वो है, मृणाल सर को बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है और वो बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छे टीचर है. फिर इसके बाद एनवायरनमेंट के लिए शंकर IAS इज द बेस्ट बुक. Some people can also refer to NIOS. You can use the last year edition of geography as well, because geography static subject है prelims के लिए तो खास तौर पे. There will not be any change in geography as far as prelims is concerned. So even if there is an older version of the book available, then you can continue with that. Environment में Shankar IAS, and for science and tech, only current affairs will suffice. There are people who get depression कि भाई मेरे को, I am not from science background, I am not an engineer, I studied science only till 10th. Let me assure you that science will be only coming from current affairs. ठीक है? Now rest of the things I am going to tell you is that this class will not include current affairs, because it is practically not possible for me to compile the current affairs as well. Now, which current affairs magazine to study? See, everybody is making it from the Hindu, and the competition is in the market is such that each and every institute is covering all the topics. So you can do it from anyone. And the thing is, when I started preparing, Vision IAS was the first institute to bring out these monthly magazines, and the first to bring out the PT compilation, PT 365, main 365. Then Insight started copying. Insight is also very good. Vision IAS is also very good, but I follow Vision IAS because I have done it from the starting. Then what will be the expectations from you in this course? We will be beginning with Lakshmikant tomorrow. I will expect each one of you to open that book in front of you. Mark what I ask you to mark. If it is already marked, then it is good. But I will also tell you some extra information which will make the topic from a rote learning topic to an understanding topic. For example, आप कभी भी किसी कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट पर जाएंगे तो वो आपको हिस्टोरिकल बैकग्राउंड से नहीं शुरू करवाएगा पॉलिटी की क्लास में. वो बोल देते हैं कि वो तो रट्टा मारने का है, that is a rote learning topic. But the fact is that you need to have connectors and begin from historical background, because it is difficult to teach and comprehend for the students. तो इसीलिए जिनका कमर्शियल मोटिव होता है वो उससे नहीं शुरू कर सकते. I'm not saying they are wrong, they also have their compulsions. They cannot start from that because it does not appeal to the masses. But historical background is very scoring. If any question comes, you will be definitely getting the marks. i will tell you the I will tell you how to remember things, not how to read them out or repeatedly. We will not be reading out everything repeatedly in the group, and then you will note down the important points. I will be practicing uh, previous year questions with you, not in the video but on the Telegram group which we have made. I have also, there are some students who have offered help as well to generate those questions. And then we will also take a test, a small test in the group itself regarding the questions. It will be like a poll, like a quiz in the group. We will not be conducting it in the class. You can do self assessment. Please be prepared with the topics I will be giving you. At the end of the each class, I will be giving you targets or a schedule that you have to complete this much, so that we are all on the same page. Everybody is preparing at the same pace, and hopefully we all clear the prelims and the whole exam as well. So there will be targets. Make sure you complete them and then enter the class. If you do not complete them, try and skip the class, but complete your targets first. Now some miscellaneous questions which arised were, will the prelims be postponed? I have already answered that. I have told you there is no use of speculation. There is only one thing that we can do, that is our preparation, and we will continue to do that. And it will also keep you mentally very straightforward and combined within yourself. Now, how much time to devote to static and the current affairs since the exam is near? Now, see, current affairs is only an expansion of the static portion. So I would recommend you give 65% of the weightage of your preparation to static and 35% to current affairs. Now, there was a question from Farzana, and she said that she has particular problem in studying current affairs of economics and the government schemes. See, in economics, what happens is that the concepts are usually weak. Economics requires a lot of multiple readings before you can answer its questions. For example, आपने ये पढ़ा होगा कि bond क्या होता है, but question आएगा bond yield पे. You must have studied what inflation is, but the question may be on inflation indexed bond. So you might have studied money supply, but there will be categories of money supply asked in the question paper. You must have studied monetary policy. You will have to know what the effect of the monetary policy will be, what the effect of the money supply will be. So to do that, you need to be very thorough with your concepts. The problem with economics is people start studying dynamic part, that is, people will take up the monetary policy update, or they will start reading the economics article in the Hindu or in the Indian Express, whichever is preferred. Then what happens is they do not understand the terms and they lose their confidence. So that is why I give more weightage to static, because if you are good in static, you will be easily able to understand the current affairs, and you can even do the current affairs uh, in half an hour every day, or in the last 30 days you will be comfortable with it. And what happens with government schemes is, see, you will have to categorize government schemes in your mind. You have to create short notes in the copy as well, that you categorize the government schemes on the basis of ministries and on the uh, basis of the beneficiaries of the schemes. when you will know what is the scheme about, who is the beneficiary and which is the ministry, only that much should be remembered, and you will get a hang of which ministry is doing what the purpose of the ministry is. There will be a clarification in it. And government schemes is a bit of factual, so you will have to do repeated readings for that. There is no shortcut for government schemes. Now the class timing will be 7:30, and the recording of the class will also be uploaded, so you can see it from there. And the duration of the class will be 2.5 or 3 hours every day. It will be more of a revision kind of a thing. I will tell you how veteran aspirants are preparing and how much time they take per each chapter in their final revision stages, and you have to be mentally prepared for that. I will not be able to entertain doubts which are very childish. I will not be in a position, because it is focused to complete the course in 50 days. And if you ask any professional in this field,
Thank you.
if you ask anybody in the professional field whether it is easy to do this, I will tell you this is not. A lot of uh, a lot of hard work will be required on your side as well. Now you can ask your questions, whichever doubt you have. If I And yes, I forgot to tell you about the schedule. By the end of the around 10 o'clock, you will be getting a schedule of the whole polity syllabus and what we will be covering each day. So be very prepared to study that much every day. The whole Lakshmikant series needs to be uh, complete within 10 days, and please be mentally prepared. 10 days, if somebody is thinking it's a short target, then let me tell you, it is double the time which an older student is taking. It is double the time. Lakshmikant does not require more than 5 days. We are going to do it in 10 days. जिसको लग रहा है ये fast है, I will suggest you quit this group. Acha, somebody is asking, Ashish Ranjan is asking which test series to follow. You can follow either Vision or Insight. या अगर आपके पास इससे better कोई है तो आप suggest कर दीजिए, because 10 to 20 tests you do it, then it is enough. Now I'll be taking questions and I'll be giving you 2 minutes to sink in whatever I have said, to consider whether you want to continue in the group or not, and then be very specific. Now I have seen questions from you, but I am waiting for everybody to. Now Shankar is actually a difficult book. First thing is because we do not usually give time to it. Environment जो है वो आपकी तैयारी में कहीं ना कहीं पीछे हो जाता है. 2016 में environment में से ही 20 के around 20 to 21 questions आ गए थे, and many people suffered because of that. So I will be taking environment, so ऐसा कोई issue नहीं. Harish, you can type your question on the chat itself. आपका hand raise है. अच्छा, एक चीज और है. Somebody was asking for my phone number. I will not be sharing it now. I might share it at the end of the classes. But I am usually very responsive on Telegram. I have responded within 15 to 20 minutes each and every query which has arisen. So, and in the video, I think also I am covering all the questions which have been asked. For example, there was a personal question by some person, but I have also shared that. Someone had 2 questions I have forgotten. One person was saying that he is working and how to manage First of all, I would say I will not recommend you to leave your job. That would be a bit childish at this point of time when we do not have any guarantee whether the jobs will be coming back or not. The seats in the UPSC examination are reducing every year, so please continue to the preparation. And there is a person who said that it is her last attempt. I know exactly who it is, but I'll not name it. I know they must have recognized by now. She said that it's her last attempt and she has 2 children. I will say that please do not consider your children or the last attempt to be a distraction. Your 2 children are your 2 reasons to clear this examination, and this last attempt is not your last attempt, it is your only attempt. Do not be pressurized by it, but give it your best. That's all I can say. And now you can ask any further questions if there is any. There is a question from Shimangi, how to do multiple revisions and retain information for long. See, information retention का क्या होता है? It depends on the organization in your mind. जितना ज्यादा आपका नोट्स ऑर्गेनाइज्ड होगा और जितना छोटा होगा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल किसी ने क्लास में फर्रे बनाए हैं छोटे होते, मतलब if somebody has made tricks to cheat in the exam या कुछ ऐसा, कभी कभी क्या होता है कि हम लोग वो लिख के जाते हैं और पेपर में हमें फर्रा निकालने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती क्योंकि याद हो जाता है वो, क्योंकि अभी अभी फर्रा बनाया होता है, मेन पॉइंट्स लिखे होते हैं एंड वी आर एबल टू।
क्या बोल रहा?
यार ये माइक प्लीज ऑफ कर लीजिए।
सर बोल रहे हैं कि मतलब एक लड़की ने लिख रखा था मेरा।
क्या? हेलो, so the key to remember information for long is that you must keep short notes. If the topic is very difficult for you, आपको याद नहीं हो रहा है, तो reduce the number of pages related with it. अगर 700 पेजेस की बुक है, अगर आप उसको रिड्यूस करके 100 पेजेस तक कर सकते हैं in terms of important points, you will be able to complete it faster, revision rapid हो जाएगा, multiple times हो जाएगा और information retention ज्यादा रहेगी. If all the questions are now, where will we get recorded? Recorded classes will be shared on the group. Yes, Mohit, whatever schedule I'll be giving, that has to be completed before the next class. For example, I have uploaded the schedule of day 1 and day 2. It is actually less than what I was trying to do, but do it. The classes will be every day. Probably Sunday might be off, but I will take class on Sunday as well if time permits. Timing limit might be 2.5 hours or 3 hours, but it may stretch longer if the course is not complete for the day. अगर आपको क्लास के बीच में जाना होगा तो आप चले जाना, रिकॉर्डिंग तो मिल ही जाएगी. And somebody is saying there is no time to make short notes now. See, I will not recommend you to start making short notes for everything now. Make short notes only for specific topics जहाँ पर आपको problem हो. Now I think most of the queries have been resolved, and I will end the meeting in 4 minutes, just for if somebody. Acha. Somebody is asking for my introduction. I think it is not very important. If I will be of use to you, you will like the classes, then stay in the group. But otherwise, I have given UPSC interview and I have been preparing for the last 8 years, and I've been teaching since last 3 years in various institutes in various subjects. Maluka's IAS, Ethixified, or Shri Ram's IAS pe I was associated in the administration. ALS IAS pe I was in editing department. I have authored a book for them, and I am also writing a book right now. It is a fiction book, and my optional subject is philosophy. And if there is some personal issue going on in your life, matlab zyada personal nahi, but which is disturbing you mentally, you can please share that as well, either with me or with the group. But do not make the group a primary feature for that. But remember that we can build a community which is going to help each other. No, the classes of polity or any other subject will not include the current affairs. I have already told you the target of your preparation. I will be giving you the target for the subject. You have to complete it within 6.5 hours. And if your total time of study is 10 hours, complete the target in 6.5 hours and study current affairs in the rest 3.5 hours. Do not overlook current affairs preparation as well. But keep this ratio. This is a golden ratio. Remember this. Even if you take out the roughly pattern of the examination, around 65% questions are static in nature, 35% are current. (65 to 35). See, you mean to say that chapter 1 to 6 need to be done in 6.5 hours? No, what I mean to say is, जितना आपको टाइम लगे पॉलिटी का करने में, मान लीजिए आपको 10 घंटे लगे हैं, तो करंट अफेयर 5 घंटे पढ़ना, ये कह रहा हूँ.
गेट की इधर था,
पता नहीं हमको कैसे पता हमारा है या उनका.
गेट लगा है ना,
एक तो पूरा बिल्डिंग था.
So now I'll be ending the class, and thank you so much. Rest of the queries can be asked on the group.
पूरा बिल्डिंग था, हमें पता नहीं. इसको he will see and हमें पता नहीं इसका रूम नंबर क्या है. पूरा बिल्डिंग का